Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix ShadowPlay desktop capture not working. To fix the problem, you need to follow some methods. First, open the Start menu again. Type Device Manager in the search bar and select it from the results. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapter section. Right-click on AMD Radeon R7 M360 and choose Update Driver. Make sure the latest driver version is installed. Another way is to go to the Start menu on your PC. Now click on the Settings. In the left panel, you will find the Gaming option. Here, click on Gaming and select the Game Power option. Simply click on the toggle button to disable this option. Go back and select the Captures option. After that, choose 30 FPS for the video frame rate and the High option for video quality. Scroll down and select Graphics. Click on Change Default Graphics Settings. Make sure that Optimize for Windowed Games is on. Afterward, restart your PC to complete the process. To restart, open the search bar on your taskbar, click the power button and choose Restart. Once your computer restarts, it will fix the ShadowPlay desktop capture not working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.